first of all, you need to create your own project instead of using the group projects. Okay, just log in the UNT GitLab and click here into your new projects and click new project. Okay, and write your name. Maybe Eric Carmen, and create a new project. Sorry, I omit one point. After you create your own project, you need to invite me as your member. Here, you just fill up my your ID. You can find me, just click my name and give me a permission. Reporter invite me so that I can see, access your repository, and I can give you a point based on your code and all of that. Because we have a rubric. If you're add me as a collaborator over your repository, you can get 20 points extra. Okay, so and then click here to copy your repository address. Okay, and open up the VS Code and log in the Sail machine. Okay, I think you will do you will know how to do that. Okay. After you connect to Sail machine, you will in this address. Actually, is a root, and we call that root. Okay, so we that is my UID. So don't worry, it should be aligned with your UID. So we need to clone my repository first. We just create, okay, and yeah, where's Eric Carmen? Here, okay. So we get into Eric Carmen. So in the next, I actually posted a example, and you can see here. So you need to copy my repository. I mean, clone my repository. And actually, I post a announcement in Canvas. You can just copy my repository. I mean, my remote repository, and use and go to the root and using this command, git clone my repository, so that you can see my example. It looks like that because I already cloned into my local, so I will not run again. So I write README, so you can see the overall of this assignment and some instruction, so that it can make your process smoothly. So for first file for the node header, it's just using it's just to define class, basic class to store the node. Okay, the other one for linked list header, we also define a class include a private member header, and actually it's a handler point, it's a pointer. Okay, so we also have a constructor and destructor. We have some function we just declare. So basically, you can just achieve these three function, but if you can achieve the other one, because we know for insert we have two measures to achieve link insert. The first one is the header insert, and the second one is tail insert. If you can see, you can achieve both of all, you can get more points. Okay, so in the linked list C++ file, we will define all the function in previous we declare in the header. Okay, so if you want to achieve the other measure, just fill all the blank. If you don't want, just delete. Okay, you will know how to do that. And again, okay, keep going. So for the main C++, you need to achieve something like you need to achieve a while loop to continually run this program until you press the 0 to quit. Okay, so I have a example to show you. Okay, if you finish all of the program, you need to compile. But remember, you need to compile all the C++ instead of just the main C++. Okay, like that. Okay, and we run this program. First, we select one to insert. Continue. So maybe we can print. That's right. We print all the linked list elements. If we want to search, maybe we search 15. Yeah, we can find 15. But if we want to search the 11, it cannot find, right? Because we didn't add it into our linked list. So, quite. So if you finish all the step, I mean, you fill up the blank and test your program, and it can run smoothly, and you can push your code into your remote repository. I will let you know how to do that. Actually, I read README. You can follow this instruction just using this instruction. It can transfer your repository to the work buffer, and then you can using this instruction to transfer the repository to the real local repository. I don't know if that is correct, but it was something like that. So it's important that you need to describe all the detail. Not all the detail. I mean, just as detailed as possible to describe this change, and maybe you can sign your name. Because oh, you don't need to sign your name because I can see who changed the code. So for previous project, I mean the project one, the small city, every time you change your code and upgrade your repository, you need to write down the commit so that I can see who changes the repository, who writes the code. So I will give you points based on this, those commit. Okay, so make sure to write down all the commit. And then on branch, so actually we didn't save all the because in Eric Hartman we didn't add anything, so we can copy the file into the Eric Cartman, and then I fill up all the code, and after that I can using git commit to upgrade my repository, right? So keep going. And after that, we can see the change over the, oh, sorry, over my repository. Eric Cartman. Yeah. Eric Cartman. So we can see the change here. So again, in your local cell machine, maybe you can do some change. Just for test. Okay, and save all, and using the instruction preview, give a commit, and here we go. Just push your repository to the remote, okay, so that you can see the change over here. I think it's in the linked list C++. You can see the test we just modify, right? So that's all the process of this project.